again from Neo Extrix. Here's what the chairman of Jasmy and the Japanese innovation Kei Ando thought in 2017. Believe it or not, but this man is behind the boost to restore the power for this DX era in Japan and around the world. He's not crazy, quite the contrary. Let's take a look, man. See, make sure you guys can see that right here. Mr. Ando, former president, founded Sony Jasmy with IoT. I want to do Japanese manufacturing Coca-Cola, a system that allows vending machines to know what you want, selected as a file coin. Investment trust Facebook Uber adopts a key currency of Libra, will be used from now on. Cashless era is now indispensable. And this was from virtual currency is booming in Japan. The future of virtual currency. This is from the Rotary Club, Maya West, Japan. Interesting stuff, man. Neo Extrix again, hugely down the rabbit hole and deserves all the credit, man. So the innovation Kei Ando thought in 2017. Interesting stuff, man. Very amazing to see. From Crypto Leo, Jasmy Avita showcasing the world's blockchain and Jasmy Secure PC. Avita blockchain PCs now available in Hong Kong and Singapore, will be released in their other regions or countries at a later time. We covered this earlier as well. The Avita blockchain, we had images as well showing, like, you know, what is built on the Avita blockchain. Convenient usability, hassle-free management, affordable solution, optimized PC performance, and why you should use Avita blockchain PC. A very high level protection, minimize the chance of data leakage, a cost-effective, lightweight remote management, and it's a way to stay productive all the time and keep track of status of your personal PC. And it is Web3 ready. Get ready to access the world of Web3 with the Avita blockchain PC, man. Let's zoom into the image. As you guys can see, I know it's a bit blurry here, but look at this, man. The Jasmy protocol, the PDL, personal data locker, all of that is automatically built in. And we recently covered that there has been an update for it as well. Absolutely amazing stuff, man. Avita, all Avita PCs are blockchain application ready. Ensure data security, prevent data leakage, and stay productive. This is where we're heading, guys. I shared in my previous video about the hack that Microsoft got. Microsoft got hacked, man. Think about that, and lost a ton of the data of their the workers, right? The workers, the employees, they got all their data stolen. And this is why Jasmy is so very important to what we're gonna see as technology, society 5.0, IoTs become more and more predominant in our world today. We could see the change with AI and all of these things, guys. I'm telling you, I am bullish on the project, and I think it's gonna crush it, man. Cryptonizer, my Jasmy friends, lockup is coming and the volume is showing it. I hope you feel your bags because something is about to happen. Nothing beats real utility. Hashtag Jasmy. From Karim Abda, Jasmy and the fourth industrial revolution. Now that the big wave in the fourth industrial revolution has begun to swallow the world, all goods, people, and services are connected via the internet. And that is a fact. We can't move, like, we can't do anything without our cell phones now. Like, everywhere we go, our cell phone is right there in our hands more than ever. Not like back in the 90s, people didn't have cell phones. If they did, they barely used them as much. But now, we're pretty much connected to the internet in everything we do, right? Everything. So connected via the internet and continue to expand into all the areas of our lives. This is the fourth industrial revolution, guys. It's happening, man. New technologies. Look at this image, man. Look at this image, Jasmy fam. What do we see? What is the first thing that we see? Let me move it over so you guys can see that. New technologies, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, big data, cloud, and cyber physical systems. 3 to 4 to 5 of the things that Jasmy is focused on for their protocol. IoT, AI, data, cloud services. Come on, man. Like, guys, it's staring you right in the face with this one. And as we can see as well, image of society 5.0. where everything is connected to the internet. Before, you know, we had agriculture, society 1.0, 2.0, 3.0 with assembly lines, 4.0 with connection to the, you know, nodes and servers. Now everything in society is connected to the Internet of Things, IoT technology. And right here to close out the video from Dip Metaverse, Jasmy Turkish exchange Bitay Global is the biggest contributor to the high Jasmy volume. Thank you to those who brought the incredibly high volume to my attention. So that's where we saw that huge volume spike in Jasmy. $598 million in volume on Bitay. I'm telling you guys, I don't know if it was a glitch or not, but all of these exchanges that Jasmy is listed on, there's people that are buying Jasmy all over. Look at all the different volume level, the numbers of volume, man. BitTrue 31 million, Binance 13 million, Gate.io 7 million, XT.com 4 million, right? Buybox 3.7 million. Binance 3.5, Binance TR 3.1. Like, come on, man. 2.8, 2.1 for Coinbase. That's how we saw the $683 million in volume for Jasmy. Now again, is it a glitch on Bitay? Not sure if it was a glitch or not, but even if majority of that was a glitch, it just means that, guys, there's people that are accumulating Jasmy and people that are DCing into the project, man. I'm telling you, the only reason the price is such in a stagnant place that it's at is because we're not going into the bull run as yet. That's why when we start to get into the bull run and, you know, more and more new investors get into the space, and the total market cap, which is what is it right now? Let me show you guys that. It's every day, check the total market cap of crypto. It's only at 1.05 trillion every day. When you see this go to 2 trillion, 3 trillion, that's when you're gonna see a lot of altcoins explode, and Jasmy included. From NeoXtrix, we're never satisfied. Even more details regarding Apex and Jasmy. Sorocom is also there. By reading further down on the document, you will find my words regarding smart mobile communication from my previous posts. Jasmy fam, I'm telling you guys. NeoXtrix, man, shout out to you, man. I gotta tag you on Twitter and link your Twitter account to my top of my, you know, videos, because, man, you are researching and down the rabbit hole so much that, you know, it's unbelievable what type of stuff that you find, man. Let me make sure you guys can see that right here. Segment results are as follows. In the technology business, we have Jasmy Co Limited, which handles IoT platform development and smartphone app, and in addition to collaborating with PRO Co Limited, which handles system development such as a web service development and blockchain related solutions. That's big, man. That's huge. We have also partnered with partner programs provided by Sorocom and Atmark Techno Co Limited. So in technology business, we have Jasmy Co, Sorocom, Atmark Techno Co. We actively promoted activities that take advantage of our technological capabilities, which enable us to provide one-stop development services from embedded and edge to cloud, which is our strength, such as by obtaining system partner certification. Jasmy fam, I'm telling you, man. So we see more partnerships that has been unveiled through NeoXtrix research for Jasmy, man. I'm telling you, the ties that Jasmy has with these Japanese companies runs deep, man. And as crypto, remember, we're still super early to crypto. It's still an echo chamber. Content on music, video games, anime and stuff like that. Movies, TV shows, you get way much more viewership, right? Because that's where people's minds are at right now. They haven't we're still so early because a lot of people haven't transitioned to Web3, to blockchain, to crypto. They haven't taken notice of it yet, man. A lot of people still think it's just a scam, right? So when you're gonna see the mass adoption for Jasmy is going into the future, man, as time progresses, and all of these partnerships that we check out are gonna be are gonna that's when you're gonna start to see them shine.